Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to review this Nykaa 7-in-1 Nail Spa Base Coat. This polish comes in this rectangular shaped bottle with a white cap, and the polish color is slightly milky in color, but when applied it is kind of like transparent only. The cost of this polish is 249 rupees for a 12 ml bottle. You can buy these online from the Nykaa app, or you can easily get them from any big cosmetic stores. According to the website of Nykaa, they say that this base coat is a formula which will reinforce soft, weak, bitten or thin nails to give it a very healthy look. It contains vitamin E and violet extracts for hydration and antioxidant protective power, and it also contains amino acids. So when I opened the bottle to see the polish, I found that the brush was a little bit frayed at the sides. Now this bottle I had bought from a mall nearby, so it was actually not too damaged, so I could easily use it, but I would have liked if the brush was really nice. And when applied on nail, you can see it glides on smoothly and it gives a very nice finish on the nail. So product wise, I liked it. I liked the way it glided on the nail without any lumps or gloopy effect, and it dried off pretty soon. Now if I apply a polish on my ridged nail without a base coat, as you can see over here, when the polish dries off, I'll show you a close-up that all the ridges of the nails are very much visible when you look at it closely. As you can see over here, upon a closer look, the ridges are visible from under the nail polish. But if I use this Nykaa base coat and apply that on my nail first, as I'm doing over here, it kind of covers up all those ridges and fills out and evens out the nail, so that when it dries off and I apply a layer of nail polish, the ridges are not visible over the nail polish as before. So now this has dried up and I'm going to apply the same orange nail polish, and over here you can see that the look is quite smooth compared to the previous one where I had used direct nail polish on my nail. And even upon closer look, when I zoom in, you can see that the ridges are not quite visible as it was earlier. So I kind of like this product. This product is supposed to strengthen the nails and prevent chipping, but I did break my nail, so apart from that, I think it's a good product and a must buy. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.